Yes, it's true what you just saw. Anyone can draw after watching this. So, guys, if I ask you how many of you can draw, then most of you will say that we cannot draw. I know you will not say it loudly, but deep inside you will think that you cannot draw. Only a few will say that they can draw. But after watching this, you will say that we can draw. So keep watching this video till the end. My name is Bharat and you are watching my channel, so let's get started. For drawing, you don't need to have some fancy things. You just need to have a pen or a pencil and a paper. And just start to make things on paper, whatever is in your mind. So now come to the main topic. So as I said, anyone can draw, but for that, you need to do 3 things. First, believe in yourself. Have confidence that you can draw. Second, stop comparing yourself with others. Others can do things in their own way and you can do things in your own way. And third one is practice. Don't be afraid to do mistakes. Just keep practicing. So now you have these 3 things, then you need to know that you are drawing since childhood. I know you don't believe me, but yes, you are. You're drawing circles, squares, rectangles, triangles since childhood, and now you just need to use them and variation of them to draw. So now I will show you how to draw a basic face using circles. So let's start. First, draw a circle. Take a deep breath and draw slowly. At least it should look like a circle. I'm making the line darker so you can see. Now draw an oval at any side of the circle. It depends on in which direction your person is looking. If your person is looking to the left, then draw the oval to the right side of the circle. And if the person is looking to the right, then draw the oval to the left side of the circle. Make sure your oval is 2/3 of the circle. So I am drawing oval to the right side of the circle because my person is looking to the left. Now find the center of the oval and make a line passing through the center. The angle of the line depends on if your person is looking up or down. My person is looking up, so my line is slightly tilted upward. Now draw a line on the circle and this line is slightly curved upward because my person is looking up, and this line represents the brow line. Now draw a parallel curve from the bottom of the oval, and this line is your nose line. Now measure the distance of the 2 parallel lines, and at the same distance you can draw your chin. Now from the brow line to the chin, draw a slight curve. Also from the oval to the chin according to your jaw. Now for the cheek and jaw line, draw a curve from the center of the oval to the chin. Now draw a center line of the front side. Remember, it's the center line of the face, not the center line of the circle. Now you can finish it with the neck. So now you have the basic shape of the head. Then you can start to draw face features like eyes, nose, lips, ears. Later on, I will make another video on each features in detail. So guys, that's it for today. Keep drawing the face from the different angle. And please subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, give a big thumbs up. So guys, take care and keep practicing. See you soon.